Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making this beautiful sweetgrass and honey clay face mask. One of the first things I noticed about sweetgrass hydrosol is how much it smells like honey, and I really wanted to pair the two of them. So I've created this really simple, lovely face mask. We are blending together a pretty hefty amount of honey with some sweetgrass hydrosol for just a really fantastic, warm honey-like scent with, notes from the sweetgrass as well. It's absolutely just a very gorgeous, warm, sweet smell. For clays, I've done a pretty simple blend of white kaolin clay and French green clay. You could use all of one or the other if you want. I do recommend keeping to a softer, lighter clay for this face mask. So something like hydrosol or bentonite isn't particularly well suited, but the French green, French pink, French yellow clay, kaolin clay, these are all good options. There's also a partner blog post for this face mask. So if you want to learn more about this formula, you want to learn about substitutions, scaling, shelf life, where to buy ingredients, what to do if you don't have something, all those kinds of things, I really recommend checking it out. It's linked in the description box below this video. But come on, let's get started. We'll start by blending together our sweetgrass hydrosol and our honey. So in this small dish, I have 2.4 grams of each raw Canadian honey and sweetgrass hydrosol. I would really recommend you use a local honey, something that you can buy from a local apiary or a farmer's market or something. We're just going to whisk this until it's relatively smooth. Now we're going to start adding our clays. So I have 1.6 grams of both of these clays. This white one is white kaolin clay and the green one is French green clay. So we're just going to slowly whisk these in until we have a smooth paste. So the exact amount of clay that you add is up to you. If you want your mask to be a little bit stiffer, a little bit thicker, you can add more. If you want it to be a little runnier, you can add less. So you can see here kind of where the amounts that I used got us. But now it's time to apply this beauty. All right, well, let's get this beautiful sweetgrass and honey face mask on. Well, all right, there we go. I'm all smeared up. I'm gonna leave this on for probably about 15 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off in the shower. I find it is definitely easiest to wash face masks off in the shower. If you don't need to take a shower or don't want to take a shower, just take a washcloth and soak it in some hot water, not too hot obviously, and hold it to your face for about 30 seconds to help soften the mask a bit before then you start to sort of wipe it off with the fabric. But yeah, I will see you when this is all sort of done and dusted. And there we go. So I let the mask dry for about 10 to 15 minutes and took a shower and then did my full morning skincare routine afterwards, minus the cleansing steps. So I've got a ton of hydrating layers, so I'm probably super, super shiny right now, but my skin feels fantastic. Feels really refreshed, lightly exfoliated, and then I just packed on all that hydrating stuff, so it just feels really moisturized and lovely. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please remember to go down to the description box below this video and click through to read this recipe on my blog, where you'll find a lot more information, including links to places to buy all of the ingredients, information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, and a whole lot more. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time.